Hello fellow loaders, welcome back to another tutorial video. I hope every single one of you is having a great time. And today we are going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to stake your LOA tokens in order to join the epic LOA battle. So let's not waste any more time and let's dive into it. Now, first off, head over to the League of Ancients website, and on the top right you would see the LOA dashboard. Click on that. And then it will bring you to this lovely page which your MetaMask would automatically pop out. Now for those of you who don't have a MetaMask account yet, we will put a step-by-step process on how you could create your own MetaMask wallet and account in the link description down below. So once you're done with this, make sure that your MetaMask is switched to the Binance Smart Chain, and then proceed with next, connect, and then you're connected. So head over to the epic LOA battle and press on deposit. First off, you would need to fill out the form first in order to stake and join the epic LOA battle. So write your email into it, your wallet address, identifier. So head over back to LOA dashboard and copy this entire sentence over here. Bam. Your Steam ID and your Discord. And last but not least, your Telegram ID. And once you're done filling out all the details, just press submit. And there you go, it's submitted. And head back over to the LOA dashboard. Now the minimum amount that you could stake is 100 LOA tokens. And before that, make sure that you have at least $1 worth of BNB in your MetaMask account to proceed with the transaction fees, right? So once you're done with this, press enable LOA. MetaMask will pop out, confirm. And then it will pop out confirm transaction. That means it's done. And over here, press deposit. It will pop out again and confirm. And there you go. Transaction is confirmed. So now if you want to check whether your LOA tokens are actually staked, head over to the epic LOA battle and click on the leaderboard. And when you scroll down to the bottom, you could enter your wallet, and there you go, 100 LOA tokens staked. It's easy as that. So hurry up and stake as much as you can, because there's gonna be 175,000 worth of prize on the line here, which is insane. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to drop us a like in this video and do subscribe to our channel for more upcoming updates about the League of Ancients and more tutorial videos coming real soon. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and